Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Motor here. Just going to do a little unboxing video today on a Multistrada 1260S. So we're going to unbox the bike, build the bike, have a look around it, and then maybe have a little ride of the bike. So let's get into the video. Side packaging off. So the Multistrada, you've got to put it together a little bit. Well, let's just look at it out of the box. Still not got the screen on, but put that on in a minute. Let's see what's in the box. Hard plate holder, service book, screen, mirrors. Let's get these on the bike. While we're here, seeing as one's just pulled up, I'll show you the Grand Tour one in the grey. Check out the colour. Also, while we're doing this Multistrada video, let's just show you this. Look how nice this looks in the Martini colours. I know some people just like the Ducati red and stuff, but this, it really does stand out. Look at that. Right, so it is built, looks nice. This is the demo bike, so let's get a number plate on it, take it out, scrub in them tyres a little bit, the brakes.
See you on Monday.
Right, so I ain't rode a Multistrada for a while. Let's see what it's like. Well, so that was a Multistrada 1260S unboxing and quick look around the bike. Had a little ride of it. Not ridden one of these for a while, so we're quite surprised how well it rode actually, how light it felt, considering when you look at them they look a bit bigger. One thing I was probably a bit disappointed was the wind on it. I thought there'd be a bit more wind protection, but seemed quite windy once you started getting up the speed a little bit. So I think that maybe change the screen would be something that I would personally do, but yeah, good bike. But as always guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please like. If this is the kind of thing you're into and you're into all things bike, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.